Alright guys and girls, this is a quick video on how to make a flip up or a flap vocabulary study guide. It's a little bit different than our foldable and it uses a little bit less paper, so that's a good thing. So what you're going to need are scissors, paper, and something to write with. I'm going to use colored pencils just because it looks a little bit nicer. You can use crayons, markers, or just regular pencil is fine as well. Okay, so you're going to start with your piece of paper, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half. And you're doing it hot dog style, so you should have with a long, skinny rectangle like this. Okay, now if you notice, we have 5 vocabulary words for this particular section. This is the space section. Okay, that means we're going to have at least 5 spaces. Now we also want room for our title, so we actually want 6 spaces. So the easiest way to do this is to fold the paper in half this way. That would give you 2 spaces to write on. Okay, then you're going to fold the paper in half again. That would give you 4 spaces to write on. And then we're going to fold the paper in half one more time. Okay, and that's going to give us 6 spaces to write in. So now we unfold it. Okay, and if you look, I've got 1 space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 spaces, 5 spaces, 6 spaces, 7 spaces, 8 spaces. More than I need, but that's okay. We're only going to use 6 of them so you can add pictures to the other ones. Okay, now this is the really important part. Okay, we are not going to cut both sides of the paper. We only want to cut the top to make a nice little flap. Okay, so we're not going to cut both sides. We're only going to cut the top. So what that means, you can do this one of 2 ways. Okay, you can hold up the paper like this. This is hard to do because I only have one hand. Bear with me. Okay, and you just want to cut this top part right here, not the bottom. Or you can unfold the whole piece of paper. Okay, and you can cut just one side of it. So I'm doing this with one hand, so pardon my poor cutting. Oops. Okay, so we would cut that all the way. I'm going to put my phone down for a second so I can cut it for you. Alright, and we're back. Okay, so I've cut my first 3 flaps, and you can see they just fold up, and underneath I still have paper to write on. So what you're going to do for your vocabulary words, you might want to make the first 2 your title. So you might say, the universe. Okay, and you should draw a picture. I'm not going to draw a picture here because I don't want to waste time on the video, but you should have a picture for that. Okay, and then you're going to go right down the line. Again, these should also be cut, but I don't want to waste time. So your first word would be galaxy. Your second word is Big Bang. B-A-N-G, and you might want to put theory underneath. Okay, your third is black hole. If I were smart, I would have written that in black. Your fourth is planet. P-L-A-N-E-T. And your fifth is gravity. G-R-A-V-I-T-Y. Okay, notice you have 1 flap left. You should put your name there so that we know that it's yours. Okay, so now when you use this, you're actually going to put the definition underneath of the flap. So the definition for planet would go under here. A planet is, and you're going to tell me what a planet is based on that website. Under here, we would put gravity. Gravity is whatever it tells you on the website. Okay, I would also like you to make a picture. So on the back of the planet flap, over here on this side, you're going to draw a picture of a planet. Okay, it can be Earth, it can be something else. We'll make this one Earth. Just to give you an example of what a planet kind of looks like. Okay, so on every flap, I'm going to remind you one more time, you've got the word on the front, you've got the picture on the back, and you have the definition underneath. Okay, let me know if you have questions. Good luck, have fun.